Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of All Things China. Today we will take a look at a headphone from China. This is the Bluedio Turbine T6 series. Understand that in the past I'm not a very big fan of headphones from Bluedio because I generally find them having very lousy build quality and their sound is just average. However, the last check at GearBest, there's more than 1,000 people who actually add this headphone as their favorite headphone, and with an average rating of 4.5 stars and above really pushed me over to bought this and to take a look. So here it is. This is the Bluedio Turbine T6 unboxing and review.
Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say.
So in general, the packaging sucks. It doesn't include a USB-C to stereo connector. It does include a protective cover, however it's way too tight and looks casual and sloppy, and it offers not much of protection. Build quality wise, it looks simply amazing. There are no creaks or flags. It feels heavy and premium, so build quality is good considering the price. All in all, packaging sucks, build quality is above average. Sound quality in general is very good. It offers clarity across all frequency range. There's enough bass, although it's not too punchy. All in all, I like the sound signature. It sounded very natural and should work well with all music genre. I love something in particular is its anti-noise cancelling function. It just works. It works so well that it rips off all noises from car engine, train, or even my own footsteps.
So I'll just put it on you. Now it's without the noise cancelling. So it's just like normal headphones. It's normal. So it's normal, right? Okay. So now I will turn it on. Now I'm going to turn it. So now it's on. Do you feel a difference? Okay, I'm going to turn it off again. The wind more, cancelling out the wind more, right? So maybe you'd like to tell the camera. Do you think how you feel about the noise cancelling? Does it working?
Actually,
and it's so close. Actually, camera shy.
Actually cancels the noise of the wind.
Mostly from the wind.
Most of the wind. Okay.
So it's actually working.
Yeah, it's actually working.
Okay, cool. And you are?
I'm Zahid.
Hi Zahid. Thank you Zahid so much. Thank you for that.
So let's begin by talking about its pro. It has a very long battery life. In fact, with a short charging time of just 1.5 hours, I was able to use the headphone for more than a week. And that is amazing. The headphone also feels very comfortable. Even after wearing it for hours, I still feel comfortable, and this is really very good, especially on my extra large size head. How about the cons? Now, first of all, the headphone lacks music control on the unit itself, and that's rather inconvenient. I sure hope that Bluedio will add a music control on the headphone itself for their future release. Also, you do have to turn off the anti-noise function independently from the main power unit. What do I mean by that? It means that after turning off the main power unit, if you leave the anti-noise function being on, it will still be consuming power. You have to turn off then independently, and that's very inconvenient. Also, this unit suffers in connections with the devices, especially when connecting to computer. In general, it works well when you're connecting to mobile devices such as phone and tablet, just that sometimes you will hear some hissing sound. But it's the computer that's really horrible. You need multiple attempts to establish connections, and even after connecting, you will face problem of the sound cycling through on and off every other seconds. Here is a copy of the sound sample, and you be the judge.
Hey, pretty baby, am I in your way? 'Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No.
You want to try? Okay, come. So now it's normal. Normal. Okay.
Me first. Come.
Okay, I'm gonna on it. 1, 2.
Me first.
Cute, yeah. Is that different? Yeah? Yeah? Good? Good.
So in summary, I will rate its build quality with a score of 3.5. The packaging sucks, but the headphone itself has a decent build quality considering the price. As for the sound quality, I will give it a score of 4. The headphone offers clarity across all frequency range, and the anti-noise function just works, and it works amazingly well. Finally, for the usage, this is where the headphone suffers horribly. I have a hard time connecting to my computers, and even after connection, it will suffer from sound breakage from time to time. So for that, I'm only going to give it with a score of just 1. All in all, I will recommend this headphone only to the mobile device user. Please do not buy this if you are using it for your computer. So this is it. This is Daniel signing out. Until next time, goodbye everyone.